If you haven't already downloaded and installed the customer preview of Office 2013, but you're considering it, there are some system requirements you'll need to take into consideration. Firstly, your computer will need to be running Windows 7 or Windows 8 Release Preview at least. It won't work on a computer running Windows Vista or anything earlier for that matter. I'll be working in a Windows 8 environment throughout this course. The preview is actually part of Office 365, so you will need an internet connection, and you'll need to be signed in to a Microsoft account or have a Microsoft Online Services ID. I have a free Windows Live account, and I'm automatically signed in with that account when I launch Windows 8, so the installation of Office 2013 was actually quite a breeze. Your computer is going to need some pretty good power as well. You'll need a 1 gigahertz or greater x86 x64 processor in your computer. It should have 1 gigabyte of RAM if it's a 32-bit machine, or 2 gigabytes of RAM at least on a 64-bit machine. And your hard disk will need 3.5 gigabytes of free disk space. Also, make sure you have a newer graphics card because it needs to be DirectX 10 with your screen resolution set to at least 1024 by 576. If you have all of the above, you're ready to install a customer preview of Office 2013. That's coming up next. So your computer meets the system requirements for trying out the new Office 2013 customer preview, and now it's time to go and get it. Here's where that internet connection comes in. All you need to do is go to the customer preview site at Microsoft.com, and you're ready to begin the process. Now your first step will be to sign up for the preview. You'll notice currently from the Microsoft Office site, we have a few options for home, for small business, and for enterprise. And as you hover over these options, you see some information. But if you want, just go down to where it says try and click there. This takes you to a page where you'll see information for each of those options, plus some more options as we scroll a little further down. So for example, if you're going to be installing this at home, there's a Home Premium Preview that gives you up to 5 installations. As you can see here, you get access to the cloud and all the programs that come with the suite. You'll also notice that it's actually Office 365 that you're signing up for. With Microsoft's push in the direction of cloud computing, you're somewhat forced to experience it when you sign up for this customer preview. So review the information, and next you'll click Try. Now what happens next will depend on whether you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8. With Windows 8, you're already signed in to your Microsoft account when you launch Windows, and that's the account that's going to be used here to create your installation of the customer preview. Notice in my background, I'm at my account page, and I can see I have 5 out of 5 installations available, and this little window prompting me to install the Office 365 Home Premium Preview. And that's all I have to do to get started. Now, Windows 7 is going to be a little bit different. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Windows Live ID, and if you don't have one, you can actually sign up right there on the fly from that screen. And once you are signed in or signed up, you'll be prompted for some security info for your account if it's your first time installing the customer preview. Subsequent installs, you'll be taken directly to your account information page like I am here to view your current status and be able to install the customer preview on other computers or tablets. So all you have to do is click Install once you get to that point. And one thing that you'll notice if you've installed Office software in the past is how much faster this installation runs. It's called a click-to-run installation, meaning you can actually start using the software almost right away, even while the installation process continues to run and set things up in the background. That's it. You're ready to roll. If you're a premium subscriber with lynda.com, you'll have access to the exercise files, and the exercise files allow you to follow along with me step by step. So if you do plan on using them, I highly recommend placing them in a convenient location such as the desktop here. Double-clicking this folder will reveal subfolders for each of the programs where we'll need exercise files in the various chapters in this title. Now, if you don't have access to the exercise files, not to worry. You can try following along with your own files, or you can still learn lots by simply sitting back, relaxing, and watching.